Which way will this game go? Oh, well timed. It's with the defender now. Oh, he did really well there. It's with the strike. Oh, it's a clear chance. He's off the mark for his new team. A great goal. He'll be delighted with that. His first goal for this team. Let's see that again. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Oh, well timed. Higuain. Striker's ball. Just the keeper to beat. Top class finish there. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. Let's see that one again. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. That's good link-up play. Ferguson. Oh, that's great determination. Passed inside. Ferguson. The shot's on. That's a great quality goal. That's his first goal for the club. Let's have a look at that one again. Well, it's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player. Oh, he did really well there. Higuain. He's unstoppable with the ball. He must score, surely. There's literally no stopping him today. He's got his hat-trick. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. So, we're off again here. O'Hara. Striker's ball. Played in field. Oh, this is good stuff. Great chance here. And there's the half-time whistle. Great display of football between these two teams. Let's hope the half-time period doesn't slow things down. One team of 4-0 down. Will the onslaught continue in the second half? Surely now. Higuain. Goodness me, that was close. Let's see that one again. They're winning, but they're still going for more goals. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. What a well-timed tackle. Higuain. Higuain! Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. Timed. The ball played back. Striker's ball. This team look eager for more goals. It's looking likely they'll get them. Let's see that again. And we're back underway here. Oh, determined challenge there. He's found an opening. Oh, it's hit the post. And that's got out for a corner. Some of your players are getting tired. You should bring in a substitute. To do this, pause the game and enter team manager. And that one swung into the lovely header. Passed well. Oh, it's a clear chance. Good save. That's a great... Oh, nice finish there. And that is a fantastic goal. And here's the build-up to that great goal. Referee gets the game back underway. Oh, well timed. Higuain. Striker's ball. It's with the striker. He's cut it back inside. The shot's on. He goes for goal. Oh, nice finish there. Look at that tiny finish there. Look what it means to the player. We'll be hoping to add more to his tally. Let's see a replay of that crucial goal. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. It's with the striker. Using the width here. What a well-timed tackle. Higuain. He's so skillful on the ball. He loves to go past players. Can he finish? The referee has pointed to the spot. It's a penalty. Swipe the ball towards the direction you wish to shoot. The speed of your swipe will determine. Nice finish. Fantastic goal to make up the player's hat-trick. He's in fine form. Well, let's have a look at that one again. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time. Goals are full time here. Some tantalising football on display and a comfortable win for this team. A real captain's performance today. Exactly what the manager wanted.
First time I've ever seen the moon. We died side by side when you walked in the room. It feels like the first time I've ever seen the moon. We died side by side. This is what I'm feeling. This is what I'm feeling. We're freewheeling.
Welcome then, it's anyone's bet who'll go through to the next round here. The home team has gone with a strong lineup here. Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today. It's with the striker. That's nicely played. It's a clear chance, and this really takes the pressure off the defence. Higuain. What a well-timed tackle. Oh, he did really well there. Higuain. Oh, there's an opening here. Good save by the goalkeeper. Waiting in the box, hoping for a good delivery. Tries the header. crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Oh, well timed. Can he finish it? And there's the shot. Pulls the trigger. Oh, good block there. Oh, there's an opening here. Quality defending there. It's with the defender now. Defender then back on the ball. Oh, he did really well there. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Launched upfield by the keeper. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. It's half-time and a chance for managers to have their say. They're winning. They'll have to get more goals in this second half. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Oh, that's great determination. Bamba. Oh, well timed. What a well-timed tackle. It's with the striker. Surely the cards are coming out here. Actually, it looks like a telling off, but he'll have to be careful. It's with the defender now. Moving down the flanks here. Great technique. Ferguson, they want to add to their lead here. Striker's ball. He must score. Higuain. Oh, they needed to get that one away, and they have. Good defending. Pepe. The defender's back on the ball. Higuain. Striker's ball. He loves to run with the ball. That one has gone out of play. Well, time for some fresh legs, maybe. The players warming up. Still time to grab an equaliser. The manager is pushing his players forwards in a last-ditch effort to get a goal. Quality defending there. It's with the defender now. Oh, determined challenge there. Just inside. Can he get a shot in? That's good link-up play. It's with the striker. And here's a chance. His first goal for the club. What a moment. That's his first goal for the club. Let's take another look at that. Have finished, and there we have it. Fantastic performance from this side as they book themselves a place in the next stage of the competition.